1, 2, 3. Woo!
On the bottom and get a bunch of grass and stuff, and you'll start to find all kinds of things. There's only a few out there.
Ducks love snails.
So they gave us all some nets, and we put on our waders, and we walked out into the, I guess it was kind of like a flooded lake, like a rice field. And we walked out into the rice field with nets, and we just kind of shifted around like a duck would looking for food.
We also tried to learn about the different wings and how to identify different duck wings and the male and female.
And they also love interacting with these wings that we collected through this past year, and they're enjoying it, and they've been coming up and asking questions.
Well, I believe that any chance we can get to do community outreach with young people like this, we should do it every chance we get.
Duck populations got dangerously low, so that spurred a lot of the early research, and a big part of that was they started banding ducks.
So the Wonders of Waterfowl Workshop, it's a great way for students to get hands-on experience to learn about waterfowl and waterfowl habitat. It's about raising the next generation of natural resource managers, and the more connected that these students are to waterfowl and the wetlands and the duck habitat, the better stewards of the earth they will become.
I've worn waders before, but I know a lot of people, it was a new experience for them, and just see the different little species and insects that the ducks encounter and that they eat on a day-to-day basis.
Today we are working with 4-H'ers and Five Oaks Lodge and the faculty and staff at UAM to allow them to come and learn about wildlife and ducks specifically, what they eat, how they tag them. And 4-H is all about hands-on learning, so we are having them here and they're getting to witness it firsthand.
You just want to get past the guide wire without getting touched by it, and I'm going to give you a little hint. Don't go one at a time, it doesn't work. So I was in 4-H from 7th grade on up to senior year, and I'm still helping with it because it's just something I did as growing up, but I'm out here helping with the hazards of migration station at the Wonders of Waterfowl.
Anyway, here's a couple fish, here's a crawfish swimming around. The whole reason that I knew exactly that I wanted to go into this field that I'm in right now was due to outreach from a wildlife biologist that came to my school, showed us all these animals, all the cool different things you can do with this education you can get.
About what ducks eat and how they get it and how to tell how old they are.